So here's your most awaited part of this video. I will be giving away Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Good morning. So, kakagising ko lang. Naka 10 hours of cumulative sleep ako. Ang dami pang gagawin. Nakatulog ako early, mga 10 siguro. Tapos nagising ako ng mga 5. Tapos gising ako ata ng mga 1 hour to do stuff. Mga mga requirements. Tapos nakatulog na naman ako kasi sa sobrang lamig. Kasi yung ginawa ko kanina, nakaganito ako. Nakakumot. So ayun. Tapos may pillow ako dito sa side. So pumiga ako saglit. Tapos ayun. Ilang beses ako nagising. Pero natutulog ako ulit. So naka 10 hours of sleep. Ang lamig today. Our video for this week is about my busy week. So may exam kami today and quiz, tapos case paper report tomorrow, tapos everyday SGD, and our rotation is off that. So I'm gonna show you how I prepare for the week, what I eat, what I do, how I plan, basically everything I do. Join me in this busy and productive Sunday. Tara! Before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and that notification bell to notify you of my next videos. Also, giveaway alert. I will be giving away some things. Nasa end ng video yung instructions. Stay lang kayo and watch the whole video. So, ito yung reading requirements namin for the whole week. Day 1, Day 2, Day 3, Day 4. Tapos may SGD na. Lord, nahihirapan nga ako magbasa ng isang chapter tapos gagawing 5. Good luck to us. Pero kakayanin. Let's try. Oh my gosh.
Very far away! Good luck!
Looks like that picture I
Yeah, that's blue lights. And I guess if this whole COVID situation never happened, then my batch would probably be having that too.
Next is planning for the upcoming week. This is how my bullet journal or planner looks like. I don't want it to be too fancy because it would be difficult to keep up. For me, the simpler and minimal, the better. Now I'm making 7 rows for the 7 days of the week. Then I'll put the days. This is how it'll look like. Now I'm transferring my schedule from our ACADS group chat, our block schedule, to my journal or planner. So I'm writing down the SGDs, the readings, and other deadlines. Just like this one.
When they are in these early stages, free fluid or fluid with some septations. 2 cc, but then your ultrasound is still saying that you have about 500 cc of fluid within the thoracic cavity. Your axillary line. Bronchogenic cysts, or sometimes the pericardial cysts, cystic ones. They are, except for some vascular ones that are difficult to manage, but majority are cysts. And I think that is the last. Do you have any other question?
Thank you, Doc.
Salamat.
Finally, natapos ko na siya. Since last night ko pa to pinapanood. At 1.5 speed. Progress is progress, kahit slow. So, ngayon magla-lunch lang tayo kasi anong time na ba? Exactly 3 p.m. So, lunch muna tayo para tuloy-tuloy na hanggang later. Tulog. Fail siya today.
In med school is average at best. I always thought that I might not be credible, but after years of being an average student, what habits that work for you, it's like you won half the battle. Because you can be...
I love to see me from your point of view. I wanna trust me, see me from your point of view. I couldn't believe it.
Hi everyone, welcome to OFTA 250, your integrated clinical clerkship in ophthalmology. This is a 5-day course with 8 hours allotted for each day, which totals 40 hours. Most of our activities can be done asynchronously and is available online.
I have termed as the 5 Ds of delivery devices that, unlike, say, oral therapies or even systemic therapies, side effects. Through the use of compressed gas like air conditioning,
Good day, everyone, from the Division of Medical Oncology, Department of Medicine, UPPGH. Today I'm going to give you an overview of lung carcinoma and its current therapeutics occur in patients. In our country, in terms of incidence, but it remains to be the most common cause of cancer death. Non-small cell lung cancer is staged based on AJCC, DFM 8th edition. D refers to a tumor with no definite involvement. For early stage cancers, surgery is usually the main modality of treatment. Post-operative or adjuvant treatment is given to kill macroscopic cells. KRAS mutation or ALK gene fusions. More than 50% are associated with the V600E variant.
Bleeding in the first half of pregnancy, so you have ectopic pregnancy, and as on the lower portion of the abdomen, you would be
Ube cheese. Finally, tapos na ako sa pulmo exams. 4 yon. So, yung dalawa is before the SEM start. First week, second week of January. Yung last 2 naman is yung mga intermodule weekends namin. wala pa talaga kaming intermodal weekends for this sem. So next week, medyo meron na slight, pero may mga requirements pa din ng weekend. Yung pulmo namin, dapat last year pa siya, like dapat nung second year med school pa siya. Kaso nagka-pandemic noon, COVID and pulmo. Ngayon lang siya na-continue ng second sem ng third year. So isa lang yun sa mga gagawin ko for tonight. Meron pa akong isang case report for IM deadline tomorrow. So ngayon ko yan gagawin. And tomorrow whole day, babasahin ko yung 5 chapters na record ng OFTA before ng 4 to 5 p.m. na SGD. 5 chapters yun. So sana kayanin, no? Kakayanin natin. Let's try. Another one for tonight because I deserve a reward for finishing pulma. Yan. Cheese and ube. 2 of my faves. That's it for today. I'm just gonna finish this case report I'm making, then submit it, then read a few chapters for our SGD for tomorrow para medyo prepared naman tayo. Time check, it's 1:22 and kakasubmit ko lang ng case report ko and parang hindi ko na kaya magbasa ng chapters for tonight. So tomorrow na lang and it's time to sleep. Good night. And by the way, yung pag-giveaway ko, just follow these instructions. This is also my way of saying thank you kasi umabot na tayo ng 400 subscribers. Thank you very much for the support. So here's your most awaited part of this video. I will be giving away this cute dry fit shirt. Google Doc. Yes, and also other school supplies. So here, this notebook, the same as what I used in making my bullet journal, planner, and meron ding G-Tech para pwede na kayo magsulat diretso. Very good quality. Maganda to yung notebook na to kasi ang kapal ng cover niya, then yung paper niya sobrang kapal. It's 100 GSM and dotted siya. So sa National Bookstore merong blank, meron ding grit. So we also have notebook from UP Physician Sciences Association and also post-it note from UP Agape. Nakuha ko to ng mga freebies noong 2 years ago from the Freshman Orientation Program. 2 to 3 years ago. So ipapamigay ko yung iba kasi hindi ko naman siya magagamit. Para magamit ng iba. So again, cute shirt. So here is the mechanics. Just follow these 5 easy steps. Step number 1, like this video. Step number 2, subscribe to my channel. Step 3, most importantly, comment your favorite part of this video or any suggestions, recommendations, including your Instagram username. Step number 4, go to these Instagram accounts and follow them. Step number 5, tag 3 people in the comment section of the latest post in the Doctor is In. So ito siya yung post. And lastly, so share this post from the Doctor is In Instagram account and tag at jaceriales and at the Doctor is In. And yun lang. Don't worry because shipping fee is free anywhere in the Philippines. So that's it. If you want to order then the order form is in my IG business account at the Doctor is In. So thank you guys at nakaabot kayo sa end ng vlog na to. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell for the announcement of winner on my next vlog. And also, i-announce ko din siya sa IG accounts ko. That's it. See you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching.